In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your password on GitHub using the GitHub dashboard. Whether you've recently updated your security practices or just want to refresh your credentials, ensuring your password is up to date is a crucial part of maintaining account security. So, let's get started on this simple step-by-step guide to updating your password. First, open your favorite web browser and navigate to the GitHub website. Once you're there, you'll want to ensure you're logged in to your GitHub account. Look towards the top right corner of the screen, where you'll see a small icon representing your profile picture or initials. Clicking on this icon will reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, you'll want to select Settings. This will take you to the page where you can manage various aspects of your account. Once you're in the settings, you'll notice on the left-hand side there's a navigation pane. This is essentially your roadmap to different configuration options available to you. For our purposes today, we're interested in password and authentication. So, if you're not already there, go ahead and select that option now. It's essential to be in this section because this is where all the magic of updating your login credentials happens. Now, as you look towards the top of this section, you'll see a button labeled Change Password. It's prominently displayed, so you shouldn't have any trouble spotting it. Click this button to proceed to the next step. You'll now be prompted to enter your current password. Type it carefully to avoid any errors. After you've done that, it's time to think about a robust new password. Remember, a strong password is key to protecting your account. It's generally a good idea to use a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. Once you've decided on a new password, type it in the designated field. Typically, you'll need to enter it twice. Once in the new password field, and again in the confirm password field, to ensure accuracy and avoid any nasty surprises when you next try to log in. Once you feel confident your new password meets your security standards and both fields match, you can move forward. Finally, all that's left is to click the Update Password button. Congratulations! With that, you've successfully updated your GitHub password. It's always a good idea to log out and log back in again with your new credentials just to triple-check everything is working as expected. That's all there is to it. Remember, updating your password regularly is a smart practice to keep your account secure. Thanks for following along, and until next time, stay secure.